Hi, good morning, yeah. See this one. Today, what I'm going to make rich god chutney and beerakaya or pachadi. No wastage only. Chilka, everything. I'll make one chutney nicely. Come, have a look. You know how you make this is all we won't throw all wastage only. We'll make one pachadi. Yeah. Okay, now come on how to make the pachadi. I'll say this is very tasty with the rice only, not with the chapati. That is only bad. Anyhow, it's okay. We have to enjoy only. No, come on. We have to cut here. After that, we have to taste this one. Otherwise, sometimes very bitter. Nice taste only. Now we can cut and now enjoy. I told this is actually, see now I'll show you. This is all the wastage. I cut it all 3-4 actually. I kept it inside the fridge. Now you have to cut properly this one and make nice chutney like this. Cut it all. Yeah. Like this only you have to cut it properly. Okay. Already I washed it and kept it. Okay. Now we have to peeling this one like this. I'm mixing this one also because I can't waste this one. Otherwise, what we will do, we'll make one pachadi and this is we'll make with the dal. We'll add it. In Andhra Pradesh, we won't make dal like plain. We add the all greens, otherwise some sabjis will dosakaya pappu, tomato pappu, like that all pappus only we'll make. That is good only, and now only I'm realizing all that healthy things. We are mixing vegetables also, otherwise nowadays people won't eat vegetables only, they don't know some of the vegetables. Okay, that is a big problem. That's it, yeah, very easy one. If you want, you can add this one. I'm adding now today little bit, and all kachra only I am making. The waste, all beerakaya peel. That's a chutney, maja. Okay, no wastage. All sustainability. Okay, 4 garlic. See, this is a beerakaya. Just writing, and you have to put half onion. Okay. Actually, in this, more chilies, green chilies only necessary to make this pachadi, the green color. Okay. See, yeah, now my iron kadai is ready. Now you have to only dry roast, not necessary any oil. So I am using 1 tablespoon of chana ki dal. You have to roast it slowly, one by one. The aroma will come very nicely. Then only we have to switch off the gas. Now this I am putting little oil, then saute, like say 1 tablespoon of oil. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Now we are adding the onions first. Let fry little bit. Then I'm adding this one. Green chilies. I cut it as like bomb, it will burst here like bomb only. Okay. Careful when you're frying this one. 4-5 because we want spicy. Then according to your taste, you can add it. 2-3. First you fry 2-4-5. Then how much you want it, then you grind it. That time you can add. Okay. That's it. Yeah. Only this is fully fiber. That only I like beerakai pachadi. Taste is very nice actually. But we'll consume more rice. That is a problem. And the next thing is you can apply in the bread also. Yeah, very tasty. Okay. And one more thing is totally fiber na. So I like that only. Okay. See now I am putting all nicely. You did. Come. See now. First, you have to grind the sesame seeds. Yeah. Okay. Sound will come. Brrrr. Okay. See. Okay. Now, this and actually, nobody will use the red chilies for this chutney because I like that color. So I'm adding this one. Otherwise, not necessary. Okay. Remember that one. Actually, I will do with the hand only, yeah, but nobody will like to do that. So I thought, okay, first I'll show this one. Next time also Birakai Pachadi with this only. Sanikela, we used to tell that one only. Okay. Now I'm adding the rock salt. I'm adding the salt, because the moisture will come. See now, the water, no? Because we are not using much oils now. So always add the salt before. See. Okay. That only one tip, yeah. All tips, no, the chili tip and how to use the salt and all. That only very important actually. When we don't know, it's very difficult. This is an organic tamarind, because this only I use actually. How black this one, no? Some black people in Telugu, they used, I baba chintapandu laga unnadu. They used to tell me like that only. Somebody knows Telugu, then they will enjoy this one. This much only you have to put, wash and put it this one only. I'll keep it like this only. Mud vessel. Now I'm adding this one. Again, this is a curry leaves. Nicely. I told you, all healthy things, yeah, in this pachadi. Nice healthy pachadi this is. Not birakai pachadi, healthy pachadi. All fiber pachadi, you know. At least 10 to 15 minutes in a medium flame only, not high flame, yeah. Otherwise your vessels will become black. See, yeah, not become little dry, no. So then you can add the little water like this. Yeah. Ready now. The color also change now. Already cooked. You have to switch off the gas. At least 10 to 15 minutes. Cool down. After that only piecing this thing. That's it. This is my masala. Now I am adding this one. Okay. Yeah. Now you have to grind it properly. That's it. Yeah. Again I am adding that one. Little water necessary now. Nicely take it out. Don't waste anything. I'm so particular about all these things. Yeah, sorry. Yes, see the color. My birakai pachadi is ready now. We'll taste and enjoy this one actually. You know, I won't use at all, yeah, mixing. I told you before itself. In that, if you're doing, you know, what you'll say, we'll say, Ruburaya Sanikela. I don't know in English, I forgot. Whenever I want to tell, that time only I forgot the name. It's okay, no problem, but you people can understand that one. If you're doing in that, this pachadi taste will be very, very nice. Nowadays, it's difficult. So I am showing in the mixie only. Next time I'll show that one. This consistency, actually you should not make very lime like a paste, you know, just roughly it has to be. Okay, next thing is I am not putting any oil tadka with mustard seeds and all. Not necessary at all. If you want, you can add it little ghee, you know, that will be very nice. Now we are going to taste, because I'll make always spicy, yeah, okay. Very tasty. If I'll see white rice, that's it. I'll put so much of rice and ghee nicely and I'll eat, yeah. Now you people can try this one, healthy Birakaya Pachadi. So very tasty one. You people can also try and let me know. Come on, enjoy.